Good morning, students. From our social studies book, from civic section, in page number 183, we have lesson 7 public facilities. Students, the contribution of government in any public facilities is very important. It is an institution, it is an established organization or corporation, especially of a public character. The government is responsible for governing and controlling the people of a society. Let's talk about the need of a government. Why do we need a government? We need a government for governments are necessary to maintain law and order. Suppose in the public a clash of interest occurred. Alright. Here what can happen? People will disagree with the matter, whatever they have, or they will fight, or they will have some argument, isn't it? Here, might is right can take place, which is not good for the nation. Therefore, to maintain law and order, to provide safety and security, to provide infrastructure, to provide economic guidance, to ensure the citizens of their facilities, we need a government so that the country would will develop. Okay. Our next talking is about infrastructure and public facilities. What do you mean by infrastructure? Infrastructure is the basic systems and services that are necessary for a country or an organization. For example, transportation, electricity, education, healthcare, sanitation, and so on and so forth. Next is our public facilities. Public facilities are services and infrastructure that are controlled by the government and are available to the public. Public facilities provided once and its benefits can be shared by many people. Alright. In a democratic country like India, the government is accountable to the people, means he is responsible to provide the public all the facilities they require. So, the public elect the government on the basis of the promises made by the leaders before the elections. Then, it becomes the responsibility, the duty, the service of the leaders to fulfill the promises after winning the elections and forming the government. Alright. Private companies, hospitals, schools, and hotels are interested only in making their own profits, while the government has no profit intention. Let us take the example of water. Okay, water is necessary for life, not only life, for good health also. Safe water drinking can prevent many waterborne diseases such as diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, and so on. Death rate is increasing in our country due to these waterborne diseases. In our lesson, the water supply of Chennai is explained. Let's talk about it. The green and lush Anna Nagar area of Chennai receives tap water for hours every day. Some areas of the city, like Malapur, receives municipal water once in 2 days. The Mandipakam area receives water once in 4 days. Whatever we talked just now, it tells us that there is a shortage of water supply in many areas of Chennai, isn't it? What did we come to know? On an average, the municipal water supply is not adequate and meets only about half the needs of the people. Some areas get more water supply than others, while some areas are dependent upon water tankers and are forced to buy bottled water for drinking. This is not fair, isn't it? Same as the public companies and other private sectors, the private companies supply water through tankers or sealed bottles. Pay and take water. This is the system. The water dealers visit nearby towns or villages, pay some advance to the farmers every month, and gain rights to exploit the resources of water on their lands. Then what did they do? They sell the water in high price and earn profits. So, in some areas of our country, the facilities are provided and in some areas not. All over the world, in whatever country we belong, water supply is a function of the government. Public facilities relate to people's basic needs. Our constitution recognized many of these public facilities as being a part of the right to life. There should be no discrimination in public facilities. It is a function of the government to ensure the public facilities. Thank you.